Ka school Chestars High Secondary School Jowai, Kabala Singh House Nem Kat Kandai Spark Kandai Pawai, Minta ka kinti kalayo ay school auditorium but la play ka negasngi da UMLA ba Wailadmiki Shylla, ringkat ka jingya don lang UBS Soalia Deputy Commissioner West Janta Hills District, ka EPSM DSEO West Janta Hills. Yakani ka school auditorium la ay nam haka kerteng jong ulit J. Jones Sinkan bat ka late Sibyl Rees Shulai ki bedai ki teraying kumjuru kinong sing ka school baling ba ka jing betin linti bat jing kerku kerdo jongki ka school kalong kumba kalong menta. Haka jingelang balapenya do ar Shulai bat ka ki rap tham na kaliang US lalu presiden jong ka school ul a ka jing keren priang burom bat it huru e ka jingya linti ka ka school nado bastang hadu ne ka sngi. O Deputy Commissioner ka West Janta Hills ukmi linti pwede ka school kan nang ki shisho haka ba yade ban penwan do ka jing nang jing start ki khanna bat rukum ka school balay ya linti ka bor ladi kermen bakan long ru kan uksai ki we.
And till date it has become a higher secondary school which just shows the progressive mindset, the positive attitude, attributes of everyone concerned, and this I wish that can be shared perhaps with other institutions also as an example that this institution on its own and through its own funds, its own merits has managed to come this far. I wish that it will continue to do so. I wish the school through this they've made this auditorium, but I wish their classrooms also, not just the auditorium, but I wish their classrooms, their teachers who in their classrooms shall continue to impart excellence, shall continue to impart character building and molding the students. And that has borne testimony by the fact that we have two very excellent MCs. Yes, two excellent MCs hosting us with the impeccable throw of the language, impeccable command of things that we feel at ease and comfortable right from the beginning. Thank you, young man, young lady. And the performance of the students just now, they were very well choreographed.
Kam begini ki program kam tam nga e kublai e ke jing ro ko pro ya ki nong yalam nyong ni ke skur ku de ye lengba ke jing kre chutom yong ki kam de pen snyao gini klem de kawan ke jing rap ne yang yong ke sarkar le ne won yos khedi de ye gi upendep ya kani ka auditorium ne ke sni.
The administrators, the principal, the teachers, the staffs and the students of Chestar Higher Secondary School Jowai for reaching up to this level. And I would encourage all of you, the teachers especially. As teachers, you are a guide, you are a leader, you are a motivator. You are the ones who will lead the students to fulfill their dreams, to reach for higher levels and for higher heights, as we say, as the saying goes, to reach for the stars. And I encourage all the teachers to kindly be loving and kind, be sensitive to the needs of the students.